Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete Appstle subscriptions Shopify app tutorial step by step. I'll show you how to install the Appstle subscriptions app, how to create subscription plans, how to customize everything properly, and how to manage and optimize subscriptions so you can confidently start offering recurring products in your Shopify store. If you're watching this video because you're thinking about adding subscriptions to your store, you're definitely in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how Appstle works, but you'll also know why certain settings matter and how to use them strategically for your business. Subscriptions are one of the most powerful features you can add to an online store. They're especially useful if you sell products like monthly boxes, curated bundles, consumables like coffee or supplements. Instead of customers buying once and forgetting about your store, subscriptions allow them to stay connected with your brand automatically. This means predictable revenue, stronger customer loyalty, and less time spent trying to constantly acquire new customers through ads or promotions. When customers subscribe, they're more likely to trust your brand, spend more over time, and stick around longer. Over months or even years, subscriptions can significantly increase a customer's lifetime value. That's why so many successful Shopify brands rely heavily on subscriptions as a long-term growth strategy rather than just one-time sales. This tutorial is designed to be very beginner-friendly, so even if you've never installed a Shopify app before or never worked with subscriptions, you'll be able to follow along without any issues. I'll explain each step clearly and show you exactly where to click. I highly recommend watching the full video from start to finish so you don't miss any important settings that could affect how your subscriptions work. Alright, let's jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is head over to Shopify.com and sign in to your Shopify account. If you don't already have a Shopify store, you'll need to create one before moving forward. Shopify will guide you through the setup process, including choosing a store name, adding business information, and selecting a theme. Don't worry too much about making everything perfect at this stage. You can always customize your store later. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control center for your store, where you manage products, orders, customers, and apps. From your dashboard, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Apps and Sales Channels. This section shows all the apps currently installed on your store and allows you to add new ones. From here, click on Shopify App Store in the top right corner. Now you're inside the Shopify App Store. Use the search bar at the top and type in Appstle Subscriptions. Once the results appear, look for the official Appstle Subscriptions app and click on it. Before installing, it's a good idea to scroll down and read the app description, feature list, pricing details, and user reviews. This helps you understand what the app offers and confirms that it's the right tool for your needs. When you're ready, click the Install App button. Shopify will ask for permission to allow Appstle to access certain parts of your store, such as products, orders, and customers. These permissions are required for subscriptions to function properly, so go ahead and approve them to complete the installation. Once the app is installed, you'll see it listed in the Apps section of your Shopify admin. Click on Appstle Subscriptions to open the app dashboard. When you first enter Appstle, you'll notice the dashboard layout and navigation menu on the side. This is where you'll manage everything related to subscriptions, including plans, widgets, customer settings, analytics, and advanced features. If this is your first time using a subscription app, it might look a little overwhelming, but don't worry, we're going to focus on the most important sections for now. The first thing we're going to do is create a subscription plan. A subscription plan defines how your subscription works, including which products are included, how often customers are billed, and what options customers have. Click on Create Subscription Plan. Start by giving your plan a name. This name is mainly for internal use, but it's still important to keep it clear and descriptive. For example, you could name it Monthly Coffee Subscription, Book Club Subscription, or Weekly Refill Plan. If you plan to create multiple subscription offers later, clear naming will save you a lot of time. Next, choose the products that will be included in the subscription. Appstle lets you select products individually or by collection. Using collections is often more efficient, especially if you plan to add new products to the subscription in the future. Any product added to that collection will automatically be included in the subscription plan. After selecting your products, move on to the subscription frequency. This determines how often customers are charged and how often orders are created. Common options include weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly subscriptions. In most cases, monthly subscriptions work best because they feel natural and affordable for customers. Now choose the billing type. With pay-as-you-go subscriptions, customers are automatically charged at the beginning of each billing cycle. With prepaid subscriptions, customers pay upfront for multiple deliveries, such as 3 months, 6 months, or even a full year. Prepaid subscriptions are excellent for improving cash flow and reducing cancellations, since customers are already committed. Next, set the order frequency. This controls how often orders are generated for fulfillment. For example, if customers are billed monthly, you'll usually want orders to be created monthly as well. Make sure this aligns with how you ship products and manage inventory. After that, customize the display content. This is what customers actually see on your product pages, so it's extremely important. You can edit the frequency name, show or hide descriptions, and add custom messaging. This is where you should clearly explain the benefits of subscribing, such as saving money, convenience, exclusive access, or guaranteed availability. Now let's look at charging rules. Appstle allows you to charge customers on specific days of the month. This is useful if you prefer to process all subscription orders at once, such as charging everyone on the 1st or the 15th. You can also set cutoff dates, which determine whether a new subscriber receives the upcoming order or starts in the next billing cycle. To make your subscription offer more appealing, you can add discount incentives. Even a small discount, like 5% or 10%, can make a big difference in convincing customers to subscribe instead of choosing a one-time purchase. You can also offer larger discounts for prepaid subscriptions to encourage longer commitments. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your subscription plan is now active and ready to be used on your store. Next, let's talk about widgets, which control how subscription options appear on your product pages. Go to the Widgets section inside Appstle. Here, you can customize how the subscription selector looks, including button text, layout style, and positioning. Make sure the widget is easy to understand and doesn't confuse customers. Now, head over to the Customer Portal settings. This is one of the most important parts of any subscription setup. The Customer Portal is where subscribers manage their subscriptions after checkout. From here, customers can skip upcoming deliveries, reschedule orders, update quantities, change payment methods, pause subscriptions, or cancel if needed. You can customize which actions are available to customers, such as skip and queue options or product swaps. Giving customers flexibility here actually reduces churn because customers feel more in control rather than feeling locked into a subscription. Appstle also provides revenue boosters, which help you increase revenue from existing subscribers. These include upsells, add-ons, and cross-sell opportunities that customers can add to their subscriptions. Over time, these small additions can significantly increase your average order value. You'll also find integrations that allow Appstle to work with other Shopify apps, as well as migration tools if you're switching to another subscription platform. These tools help ensure a smooth transition without losing customer data. Finally, let's look at the Analytics section. Analytics give you valuable insights into how your subscription business is performing. You can track total subscription revenue, active subscribers, churn rate, and growth trends over time. Reviewing this data regularly helps you make smarter decisions and optimize your subscription strategy. Once everything is set up, your Shopify store is fully ready to offer subscription products using Appstle subscriptions. Customers can subscribe easily, manage their plans, and receive products automatically based on the schedule you've defined. And that brings us to the end of today's tutorial. You now know how to install Appstle subscriptions, create and customize subscription plans, manage customer experience, and track subscription performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.